So as you saw in the montage, we got our gearbox all sprayed, looking fairly decent. So now we move on to our sub assembly, and you can see our timing cover is a bit damaged. I'll straighten it up nicely, and look how bad our sump looks that we're gonna have to spray, as well as the block. I did spray some degreaser on just so it can soak in a bit. And we do have a new pulley. I did spray, it's inside now. I'll bring it out and that will replace, but I have to take it off in order for me to remove our steel timing cover. But I first want to clean all of this up before I do any work on it, so that I know that this is gonna be fairly decent when I put it in the car. So now we got our sump off. Just gonna sand that up a little bit, give it a nice spray of black. So you can see the buffer plate wasn't in as well, so I had to remove it. The only reason why I put silicone back on is to seal it up when I clean it. I don't want any water going inside or anything to mess up this. I want this to be perfect. So let's sand this up, let's get it sprayed, and then we can move on to the block. Now we got at least our sump sprayed up. Gonna wait for that to dry. We can move on to the blocks along, finish up whatever we have to do there in order for us to get it in. So let's go. So now we're just gonna clean off all the gasket maker that's around here, so that at least when we get to put the sump on, we don't still have to go through this procedure, and just try and clean out whatever goes inside here so that it doesn't block our oil pump and stop our engine from oil. So let's get it cleaned. As you can see, I cleaned all the gasket maker off. I still have to clean in certain places just to make it more tidy, but now it's more visible for you to see that there's broken off bolts in the sub assembly. So there's a few in this corner, so that was gonna be a heavy leak. And then you got, I think I got one over here that's broken off. So here we removed the old pulley that broke. There's also the pictures and stuff I posted looking for one. And then here's the replacement. Okay, let's get this one on. So if you don't know how to put it on, there's the groove in the pulley there. Then that goes on to the keyway there. And easy as that, it's on. It's on.